Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. And I know I'm speaking like so slow and low, and I don't even know कि मेरी आवाज़ ठीक से आ रही है, but let's just do it. So today is 23rd of August. So today is 23rd of January, and guess what? Yeah, first of all, I'm sick. I have been having cold and a fever काफ़ी टाइम से. Just a second. काफ़ी टाइम से and आज है बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश, which hurts because ठंड बढ़ गई है, and that's why I am having this shawl. आज का दिन was like मेरे जैसे मम्मी नहीं बोलते थे पहले, लाइक कि हम लोग मम्मी नहीं एक लोग ऐसे बोलते थे कि हम तो नदी पार करके जाते थे या ना. मैं नहीं जा रही. I don't know them. कॉलेज वालों ने तंग कर रखा है. We will just pretend that nothing happened right now, and although लाइब्रेरी में बोल दिया है कि ऊपर से नीचे आओ, but okay, so let's just study right now and have a study session because it's important. So right now I'm studying botany, which is reproductive biology of angiosperms, and okay, so let's dig into it again. बाहर का मौसम is like really good right now. बारिश हो रही है, I can hear the thunderstorm and all. It is so good. Um, it is so cold, and I should have bring another pair of pajama or the jeans or anything because ये मेरे से गीली हो गई है. Like right now, I just cannot even tell you how I'm sitting like this. Who the fuck sit like this in socks? My umbrella, and I was standing, of course. Bro, seriously, the worst thing could happen. बारिश रुकने का नाम नहीं ले रही है. Now I'm like scared that how will I go back home. And Tishika की अभी class है. She's in the class, and guess what? हमारे टीचर अभी तक नहीं आए हैं. She should have told already, कि नहीं आऊँगी. And that is the teacher just which I would not take names. अभी तो आज इतनी ज़्यादा बारिश है कि मेरे कपड़े गीले हो गए हैं, मेरे शूज़ गीले हो गए हैं. आई हैव टू आस्क तिशिका कि मेरे लिए अपने घर से एक पेयर ऑफ सॉक्स ले आए सो दैट सूखी सॉक्स पहन लूँ. डम ऑफ मी, आई वो फिर सॉक्स है फिर अपने शूज़ डाल लिए. तो ये मैं थोड़ी ठंडी गीली सी हो गई है. I don't know. Moreover, I have cold, so everything is like numb to me. And they see that this side is like blocked. Right. So right now, I wanna go outside because मेरे अंदर कुछ तो गुदगुदी हो रही है कि बाहर इतना ठंडा मौसम है, मुझे देखना है. So what I'm gonna do? Oh. I'm gonna go outside, watch the mosam, then what? I'll come back and study. Okay? I don't have the happening life. And oh my goodness, it's so cold. Yeah, I know I should wear those shoes with the socks. I don't have choice. And you would say choices for me. We go home the way. I don't think so. बारिश दिख रही है, but oh my god, it is so windy. It's really cold right now. Even animals know how to treat each other. Like, see this kabutar sitting over there, and when I was passing through, oh my god, shit. Oh, I think I ruined the moment. We were studying in the library, and ये squirrel कहाँ से अंदर आ गई है ये?
बारिश से बच के आए भाई. देख बारिश बहुत हो रही है बाहर.
Yeah.